Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So, I am back after a long time in my YouTube channel. So, today I am going to talk about the Assam CAA exam which is conducted for admission into the government engineering colleges of Assam. So, in this video, I will talk about all about this exam, means the exam mode, the marking pattern, syllabus, language, and everything. So, be with me with the channel. So, here I start. So first of all, the Assam CAA exam is a state level exam which is conducted for the selection of meritorious students who are going to opt for engineering courses in the government engineering colleges of Assam, like for the B and B Tech courses. And this exam is mainly conducted by the Assam Science and Technology University, that is the ASTU, and this is conducted approximately after the HS boards. After your HS boards will be over. So next I am going to talk about the eligibility criteria. So first, if we are talking about the age, so to apply in this exam you have to be not less than 17 years, that is on August 1st 2022. Okay, one thing, so here I am talking about the 2022 CAA exam. So I wrote about 2022, same will be applied for the further years ahead. So the age should be 17 years on 1st August 2022. That is the minimum age. Should not be less than 17 years. Okay. Then the maximum permissible age is 21 years. However, if we talk about the SC/ST candidates, it will be relaxed by 3 years. Also, one more thing, the candidates who have completed their BSc and will be and are wishing to go for this exam, so there will be 1 year relaxation for this kind of candidates. Then for nationality you should be Indian, and also the permanent residents of Assam are only eligible to apply for this exam. So next, if we talk about the educational qualification, so you should have passed class 12 or equivalent exam from Assam board or any recognized university of the country. Then you should pass the PCM, that is physics, chemistry and maths, and English without any grace mark, and you should have applied all the subjects in the examination. So next, if we come about the percentage of marks to be eligible for this exam, then for general category it is like 50% aggregate in physics, chemistry and maths. Then if we talk about SC category, it is 45% aggregates in PCM, and for ST category it is 40% aggregate in PCM. So by PCM I mean physics, chemistry, maths. Okay. And next, other conditions, it's like you should be of good mental and physical health and good character. Next, I'm going to talk about the exam mode and language. So this is basically a pen and paper based exam, and it will be conducted in offline mode, and the question paper will be available in English. Next, if we talk how will you apply for this exam, so for that you have to check the official notification in the ASTU website, when it may be come tentatively by June 2022 or July 2022. So for that you have to check the website. Okay. Then after the notification is out, you have to apply online for the exam, that is for Assam CAA 2022. Then after you complete the registration processes that within the date specified, you will be issued with the Assam AEEE admit card. This is Assam Engineering Entrance Exam admit card. So be very careful while reading the notification and also see the last date for applying. Next, if we talk about the exam pattern, so the exam number of questions in the paper will be of 120 question in each paper, like for physics 120, chemistry 120 marks, and mathematics 120 marks. And it will be basically a MCQ based question paper. The question paper will be basically MCQ based. We have to circle the correct answer, bubble the correct answer in the paper given to you. Then total marks, if we count like 120 question in each paper, so obviously 120 into 3, it will be 480 marks total of physics, chemistry, maths, and time allotted will be 3 hours. And if we talk about the marking scheme, there will be 4 marks for every correct answer, and negative mark will be 1/4, that is 1 mark deducted for your every wrong answer. So be very careful and be sure while marking the questions and answer in your copy. Then next we come to the syllabus. So the syllabus is of 3 subjects like physics, chemistry, maths. These 3 subjects will only be conducted. So here you can see the syllabus of physics. I will not go in details, just you can take the screenshot or you can refer to the official website for the further details. This is for chemistry, and take the screenshot. Then next, this is for mathematics. Now you have given the exam, but you have to know which colleges you will be going, you will be appointed after clearing this exam. So these colleges I have listed here. First is the Assam Engineering College. Now one more thing I want to tell before beginning to list the colleges. With the marks, you will get the top colleges. Like if you get very high marks and in the top 100 or top 200 marks, then you will get Assam Engineering College. Then next, little less mark, you will get Jorhat Engineering College. Then this means list continues. Like first Assam Engineering College, you know it is in Guwahati. It is the best college. If you want to go for the best colleges, Government Engineering College of Assam, then this is the best college. So for that you have to work hard and be in the top marks, okay, top ranks I mean. So these colleges are the Assam Engineering College, then Jorhat Engineering College, Jorhat Institute of Science and Technology, then Bineshwar Brahma Engineering College, and these 3 are the new colleges. These are the Barak Valley Engineering College, Dhemaji Engineering College, and Golaghat Engineering College. So this is all for my video, and if you want more guidance from me, as I have also been a student of Assam Engineering College, I have graduated from it, and I have also done my masters from Assam Engineering College. Yes, it is not yet completed. I may be graduated. I may complete my graduate master's degree by 1 or 2 months later. So I will be able to like mold you for this exam or guide you for this exam in a better way if you want. So please subscribe to my channel if you want for better guidance. I can tell you the important books and parts of syllabus. Thank you.